Good morning, gentlemen. I'm unable to be with you here today, but I'll go through the task. So hopefully you've followed instructions. Go to forum, and that's clicked on the 2 days double lesson instructions. So today we're going to do lessons 2 and 3. And should you finish those in the double, then you can finish off the prac, which was the alpha and beta decay. So let's just recap on what we have to do. So lesson 2. There's your instruction. Remember, you open up the Word document. Remember, it's 4 quick, easy steps. So the first step is usually a pre-video or starter questions. So remember, they are simply click on there, answer those questions. They relate to what we learned in the previous lesson. Don't forget to save to your Google Drive. Then it's a case of going to the PowerPoint. So let's go to the PowerPoint. And so we're now starting from slide number 10. So if you go to slide number 10, so you can use the index down here. So slide number 10, and we're going to look at the types of radiation. And we already spoke about alpha and beta. And you also will be shown main features of them, such as their penetration power. Don't forget you're only going to slide number 19. Okay. Then once you have done that, we can continue on with the Word document, and that is watch the video. Okay. So you've got to watch the video. You've still got the answer sheet there. Follow that. Remember, it will record every so often. And then the conclusion of the video, you should be able to fill in this table. You just have to click in there to edit. It may go over several pages. That's lesson 2. And then finally, we need to go back and do lesson 3. So, lesson 3, let's see there. Lesson 3, and same scenario, lesson Word document, PowerPoint. And the thing that we finish off with the PowerPoint is that we have a whole bunch of questions right at the end there. So if you go to the final lots of slides, there you've got all these multiple choice questions. This is a case of in your own mind, choose your option, and when you press the next or end button, it will rotate to show you which is the correct answer. Finally, we have the final sections. Should you finish that early, then don't forget prac lesson, and we're doing the document. You should already had saved it to your Google, so reopen that Google Drive. Then you're going to do the beta decay simulation. Don't know if that link works, but it's the same one as from the hyper. Unfortunately, I won't see you. If I don't see you before the end of term, don't hesitate to come and see me for any questions. Email me, and I'm sure I'll be able to help you soon. Have a great day.